Who doesn't want free hamburgers? Well, today I'm going to tell you all about this deal. We're going to try a couple of these, and I'm going to let you know for the next 2 days, you can get a pack of free hamburgers from freeze-dried wholesalers. Let's check it out. All right, so this flash sale went on yesterday and today, and I spoke to Steve since I got late notice on it, and he agreed to let this run today and tomorrow. So Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to finish up the month great with a really awesome deal. Now, this works like this. You're going to buy 5 of these hamburger patties, and one of them is going to be free. You're going to add 5 to your cart. You're going to go in through my link down below, okay? Add 5 to your cart. 1 will be free when you go to checkout. You use the code free hamburgers. It's all one word. I'll type it at the bottom here so you can cut and paste it. Now, if you add other stuff to your order, you will still get my 15% discount. But if you add the code free hamburgers, you will get that. If for some reason it doesn't work, just make your hamburger order and your other order separate. So you get 20% of the hamburgers using the code free hamburgers, and then you make another order using my code for the rest. Basically, you just make one order and then just stay on the site and use my link again. So that's how it's going to work, but you have to go in through my link to get the deals for the 2 days. So you're going through the link down below. You add 5 hamburger patties to your 5 hamburger packs to your cart, and when you get to the end and you check out, you add the code free hamburgers, and you will get that. So you have to check out with at least 5 packs of hamburgers, okay? Now, these are their most popular item, okay? It's really wild. You would think that hamburgers would be their most popular item, but they continually sell out. So if you guys haven't tried these, it's worth it. I've hydrated a couple here. I've had them in water since about 40 minutes ago, so they're perfect. And they hydrate very, very easily. Now, the limit on this, okay, would be 10 packs, okay, 10 free packs. So that would be 50 of these total, and you get 10 free, okay? So we don't want you to go and clean them out to all one person. So that's the limit on them. But these are the freeze-dried 3rd-pound uncooked hamburger patties. I'm going to put one in a pan over here, show you how I cook them up, and we're going to try it out and taste it. I know these taste great because I've had them before, but we're going to try it out for those that may not have seen it. So what I did was I basically just drop them in water. I let them sit for anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how cold the water is. And I put them in the fridge because for some reason the cold air seems to hydrate them quicker. And then they're ready to go. Now you've noticed it drained a little water off here in the pan, in the dish. So we're just going to drain that off and toss it in there. And we are using our little stove here that we tested out before. We're going to try it with some butane fuel today. So let's give it a shot and see how these come out. I like to do these on a medium heat so they don't get all splattery and messy. What I'm using today is just some easy, cheap Kroger nonstick canola oil cooking spray. You can use butter. You can use whatever you want, any kind of oil. When I'm using these aluminum pans, I like to make sure it won't stick. So I'm going to drain off a little bit of the water that I see coming out, but other than that, this thing's going to come out great. So let's give it a few minutes, let it cook up, and I'll bring you back when it's done. We'll try it out, and we'll finish up the video. All right, so I got the second one going. I'm going to try this one out here. And I like to try this stuff without putting stuff on it. You know, I don't want to put ketchup on there or anything else to kind of change the taste. So there you go. Perfect as always. You can't beat them. They're just so good. And when hydrated correctly, because if you underhydrate them, they're going to be a little bit tough. But when hydrated correctly, these things are absolutely amazing. Really, really good and tasty. So that's the deal on the sale. Making myself some lunch here. This new stove seems to be working well with the butane fuel. But that's the deal today. Put 5 of these in your cart. Use the code free hamburgers. You'll get 1 pack free. Okay? So it works kind of like that. If you add 10 packs, you get 2 packs free. 20 packs, 4 will be free. So all the way up to 50 packs total where you'll get 10 packs free if you need that many hamburgers. I find these to be good comfort food. I think we kind of underestimate sometimes comfort food in our storage. We think about, well, is this too nutritious? Is this not good enough? Just can't imagine during some kind of major disaster being able to sit down with your family and grill up a couple of hamburgers and almost feel like it's normal, like you're out on a barbecue somewhere. So definitely check him out. This is a really great deal. And again, he has everything there you could possibly want. Everything you can imagine as far as freeze-dried food goes, from filet mignon to cheesecake, like I tell people. So if you're interested in the burgers, add 5, use the code free hamburgers when you check out. Use my link, get in there with the link, use that code. Then if for some reason because we had this happen last time. The codes won't combine if you add other stuff. Like, let's say you buy some cheese and some buns and the hamburgers. So if they won't combine, use my link, go in, get the hamburgers, then go back, use my link again, and you'll get the 15% discount for the other stuff you're purchasing. I believe they're going to combine this time, but we'll see if they don't. No problem at all. You can do it in 2 separate orders. They'll both come at the same time. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check his link down below. Remember, the link saves you 15% during normal times, too, as well. And it's definitely a worthy thing to be stocking up on right now. Given what we're seeing around in the world and all the chaos we're seeing, it's definitely time to get stocked up on some food. So I'm going to turn that off. It's definitely time to get going on that. Now, if you want to get some other different types, we have our My Patriot Supply link down there, which is preparewithiridium.com. Awesome freeze-dried food. And also, Thrive Life. Don't forget Thrive Life. Remember, you don't have to join anything to try their food out as well. And that link will be down below, as well as my Amazon affiliate link with all of the gear that I use in the channel. You can check it out there. I thank you guys for watching. Get in on this sale because these are really, really good. Stay safe and stay prepared.